Hello everybody, we're going to do wet, dry, try. To do wet, dry, try, you're going to need to have your chalkboard. When we gave you your bag, we had already pre-made on one side is an F, the other side is an E. We're just going to do F today, so make sure you do have it turned to the F. All right, now, let's say parents, your kids have already gotten into their packet and decided just to play around with their chalkboard. It does happen. So if that's the case, you are going to make the F for them. Please don't have them do it yet. We want a really good example. So you're going to get your chalk and just kind of trace it or go all the way down, big line down, little line at the top, little line at the middle. Okay, so make sure parents go ahead and do that. You're going to also want a little bit, just a tiny bit of water. Go into your bag and you'll have a little baggie that has a sponge and a little piece of chalk. So go ahead and hit that. The one other thing you're going to need to do is a nice little piece for the dry part is paper towel. So I just took a regular size. I'm just going to cut like just a little square out of this. Okay, so just kind of basically so it would fit in your child's hand. Okay. So you are ready to go if you've got your chalkboard all set up, already printed on there by an adult, water, sponge, chalk, and your piece of paper towel to dry. All right, so if you don't have those yet, just press pause and go ahead and get those. All right, so I'm just going to set this to the side just for a little bit. First, what I'd like to do is we are going to kind of trace it with our finger, but just kind of hover above. You're not going to touch it yet, okay? So you're just going to go at the top. So, and you're going to say it with me. Start at the top. Straight line down. Frog jump up. Little line at the top. Little line in the middle, okay? All right, so let's do that one more time together just so you get. Okay, start at the top. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line at the top. Little line in the middle. All right, you ready? Okay, so now we're going to do it's called wet, dry, try. So we're going to get our wet. You're going to go. Now, with the hand that you write with, your right hand, you're going to do right hand. If your left hand, you're going to do your left hand. Okay, so the hand that you write with, get your sponge, put in the water, get it wet, okay? Just using one hand, that's important. We're trying to get those hands strong, so just one hand. All right, so keeping it over the water, your water dish or a cup or whatever, I want you to squeeze out as much as you can, okay? Really use those hand muscles. Really squeeze it out. Okay, when you have just wet a little bit, but not soaking wet, I want you to go. This time we are going to get it wet. So start at the top. You're going to go right along. Actually touch it. Right along there. You're going to go big line down. Okay. Frog jump up. Little line across at the top. Little line in the middle. Okay. All right. Now it's time for the dry. Get that hand. Okay. Without using the other hand. Okay, the other hand, you have to put it behind your back. Put it behind your head. Get that tissue just with one hand. I want you to crumple it up, okay? Using that hand. Crumple it really good. This is going to be the dry, okay? Okay? All right, got it crumpled. Used your hand muscles. Only one hand. Just the hand that you use for writing. Okay, start at the top. We're going to dry. Big line down. Press down really good. Try to get as dry as you can. Frog jump up. Okay, are you saying it with me? Don't forget to say it with me. Little line at the top. Press down really good. Little line in the middle. Okay, put it to the side. All right, now's the try. Get your piece of chalk. Okay, starting up at the top. Big line down. This time you're doing it. Frog jump up. Little line at the top. Little line in the middle. All right, all done. Okay, good job, guys. I hope you enjoyed your first wet, dry, try. Next time, we're going to do the other side. Do not erase it. Do not clean it. We only clean our boards after we've done 2 letters. We've only done 1 letter. Okay, we're going to do the other one the next time. All right, bye-bye, guys.